Become mighty again. With myTpen exams, seamlessly manage all types of assessments, online, in-class, or hybrid. myTpen is equipped with tailored workflows. In this video, we will see how to create and grade descriptive answer sheets faster and more accurately than ever. Begin by selecting Create Document Exam and complete the required fields. You have the option to set a time limit for the exam or leave it open-ended. We will upload this descriptive exam question paper so students can give detailed, written responses instead of just selecting multiple choice answers. Upload the question paper PDF. If the question paper isn't in PDF format, simply paste the questions here. Publish the exam and share the provided code or link with the students. Students can start the exam immediately by entering their details. No account creation needed. Here, students can view and download the question paper. Upload the student handwritten answer sheet and submit. Easy. The student has successfully submitted the answer sheet. Access the submissions section. As students submit one by one, you can view the student's submitted file. Time and details are visible on the submission screen. The score is currently blank, so let's evaluate the file. This click action opens the answer sheet directly in the myTpen grading app. View the student's handwritten submission. Assign marks directly on the answers using the TPen grading tool. To import student files from your device, watch the myTpen grading full tutorial video. If you're not using the myTpen grading app on a touch device, connect to a myTpen Surface Pen tablet or a Wacom Pen tablet for an enhanced handwriting experience. Purchase these from the myTpen e-store. Click the T-Pen again to transform it into a pen tool for highlighting mistakes and corrections using annotation tools. Click Calculate Marks, and myTpen instantly calculates the total marks. Save the file to complete the process. The allocated score appears automatically on the submissions page. The final evaluated paper is attached for future reference and audit. With myTpen, evaluate descriptive answers with speed and clarity. You're not average anymore. You're mighty teacher.